If your chainsaw chain is not turning, here are the two most probable causes. Make sure the chain is properly adjusted. If the chain is too tight, it will not turn freely and may not turn at all. You can tighten or loosen the adjustment screw to improve the chain tension. Follow manufacturer's recommendations for the proper setting. The clutch pads will engage the clutch drum to rotate the chain. If the pads, drum, or chain brake band are worn out, the chain will have trouble turning. You can replace the clutch or install a new clutch band kit to solve the problem. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your chainsaw.